Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to disable copy paste in WPForm plugin in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So now we are in form. Now on screen you see name field, date, phone, paragraph text. Now copy paste. Now you see paste. Now copy and then click on paste. So we are going to prevent this. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new. So we are going to install plugin to add some custom code. And then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code, insert, header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation scroll down. On left side you see code snipper, then you see add snipper, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snipper section open. Scroll down, you can add title here, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down, select PHP snipper. Now we are going to paste code, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now in code you see form ID 2788. Now go to edit page. So this is our form ID, you see 2788. Now back to edit code. Now you see in code jQuery we used, and then you see copy paste disable on input field, copy paste disable on text area, and you will find code in video description or in comment section. Scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and save, and scroll down. If you want to enable copy paste on text area or input, so you can remove line according to your requirement, and you will find code in video description or in comment section. Now go to form page and refresh the page. Now form open, and now we are going to copy some text. Now you see download, copy, and then paste. Right click on it and then click on paste. Again right click on it and then click on paste. You see copy paste not working. Now add some text. Now copy. Now go to another field. Now paste. So by adding code, copy paste disable on input and text area field in form, and you will find code in video description or in comment section. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.